this is actually going to be very, this is a different probability distribution that we're going to use a lot. It's the probability distribution for a single trial. So I'm going to do, yes?
I have a quick question.
Please.
So if you wanted to read for the top card for any card, let's say like ace of hearts, it would be the same thing?
Right, so the probability that the ace of hearts is the top card is also going to be this. Okay, what's the probability that the top card is king of spades or ace of hearts? How do we do that? Well, we need to know how many ways there are that the top card can be either the king of spades or the ace of hearts, and then divide that by 52 factorial, right? Okay, if the top card is the king of spades, is the top card the ace of hearts? No. No. And if the top card is the ace of hearts, it's not the king of spades, right? So these are disjoint. So the probability, by the third axiom, the probability that either this happens or this happens is the sum of their probabilities, right? Okay, each of them have probability 1 over 52. So what's the probability that either of them happens? Right, it's 1 over 52 plus 1 over 52. Sorry?
2 over 52?
Yeah, 2 over 52, yeah. Yep. I'm sorry, did I? Right, so because the events are disjoint, by the third axiom, the probability of their union is the sum of their probabilities. Right? This is the union of two events. It's the event that the top card is the king of spades, union, the event that the top card is the ace of hearts. Those two events are mutually exclusive. They're disjoint. So the probability of their union is the sum of their probabilities by the third axiom. The probability the top card is the king of spades is 1 over 52. The probability the top card is the ace of hearts is 1 over 52. So the probability of either of these things is 2 over 52.
How about when we're talking about the second card?
Same thing. Probably the second card is the king of spades is 1 out of 52. How do we do that? Well, if you want to think about the orderings of the deck, I'm going to say that the second card is the king of spades. There's one card in front of it, and then there's 50 cards behind it. So having put the king of spades here, how many choices do I have for what comes first? 51, and then I've got 50, 49, et cetera, on down to 1. So there's still 51 factorial orderings of the deck that have the king of spades as the second card. There's 52 factorial orderings of the deck in all. So the probability that the second card is the king of spades is 51 factorial over 52 factorial, which is 1 over 52. Okay? The same as before.